Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Snowbird's Dream Home Luxury Resort. Townhouse. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking and a non-smoking rooms. Snowbird's Dream Home Luxury Resort. Townhouse is located in Davenport, 12 miles from Disney's Wide World of Sports, 13 miles from Disney's Boardwalk, and 13 miles from Disney's Hollywood Studios. The property is 12 miles from Disney's Blizzard Beach Waterpark, and guests benefit from complimentary Wi-Fi and private parking available on site. The air-conditioned vacation home is composed of 3 separate bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 2 bathrooms. A TV is offered. Walt Disney World is 13 miles from the vacation home, while Disney's Animal Kingdom is 13 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Winter Haven's Gilbert Airport, 21 miles from Snowbird's Dream Home Luxury Resort. Townhouse. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.